Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a simple A-line dress, and it's an off-shoulder A-line dress. So this is a requested video from one of my followers on Instagram. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is fold your fabric into four. So we'll be cutting both the front and the back at the same time. So I placed my dress pattern, and I will leave a link in the description box below on how to draft a dress pattern. Okay, so don't worry about the dots or the allowances. You remember, this is going to be a free flowing dress. So now after that, I measured out the length I want for the dress. I am working with a length of 60 inches because I want it to be flowy at the bottom, right? So after you have gotten your the length, now you're going to go to the hem of the dress. This is where we'll be adding how full we want the A line to be. So I'm using 16 inches. So it's supposed to be 15 inches, but I added 1 inch for seam allowance, making it at 16 inches. Okay, so once you do that, you go to the end of the armhole on the dress pattern, and then you're going to place your yardstick just like I'm showing you here. We'll be extending the line in a slant manner down to the 16 inches on the hemline. So if you have more fabric, you have the option to make your dress as full as you want, but I am working with only 2 yards of fabric, so my fabric is very limited, but still I'm able to get the width I want for the dress at the hemline. Okay, so you after you connect it down to the hemline, you're going to go up by 1 inch, and then you're going to curve it like this. This is so you don't have a sharp edge when you cut out the dress. Okay, so once you do that, you go ahead and begin to cut the dress. Okay, so like I said earlier, I am working with a chiffon fabric. So whenever you're working with a chiffon fabric, make sure you have your pins handy so you can be pinning it. Otherwise, the fabric will be shifting, and this will kind of distort your measurements. Okay. Now, when you get to the armhole area, remember I said the dress is going to be an off shoulder. So what you're going to do is from the armhole, measure out 4 inches. This is how much fabric will be taken off to create the off shoulder. So you're going to place 4 inches right there. Now you fold your pattern like so. And now you're going to measure L, the 4 inches again on the center front like so. Then you're going to just draw a straight line and continue cutting the rest of the dress. Okay, so once you finish cutting it out, this is what you will have. As you can see, I have both the front and the back pieces. So what I'm going to do next is pin the sides. So you're just going to pin this sides and we'll be joining the sides together. Okay, so this is the dress. I am going to go ahead and join the sides together with my sewing machine using the 1 inch as seam allowance. So after joining it, go ahead and hem the bottom. You're going to fold once and fold again, and then you hem it to be neat. Okay, so I've finished joining the sides. Okay, so once you finish joining the sides, cut out a piece of fabric. It's like about 1.5 inch in width. So I'm going to use it as a bias strip to finish the sleeve. So you're going to pin it like I'm showing you here with your fabric um, right side out. With the dress right side out, you're going to pin it just like I'm showing you here. Okay, so once you finish pinning them, finish the strip, you're going to go ahead and sew all around. And now once you finish sewing, you're going to fold the bias strip inside, and then you will top stitch. So once you do that, it's going to give the sleeve um, a clean finish. Okay, so I'm going to go do that and show you what it looks like. So this is the sleeve. As you can see, I've finished it up with the bias strip. Okay, so now we're going to finish up um, the neck area. You're going to use a bias strip as well, and then we'll be attaching this sleeve as strips. So I cut out about 12 inches in length of the strip and fold it in and sew on the sides. So I have 4 of them, one for the back, I mean 2 for the back and 2 for the front. Okay, so now I am going to attach it. First you place your one of the strip like that on the front. Then you place the strip of fabric that you're going to use to finish up the neck like so. Again, you're going to place down the sleeve strap. Then you place another strap on top of that, so you can sew it and use it to finish up the neck area. So just like I'm showing you here. So when you get to the other sleeve, you do the same thing. You place it like so, and then you pin it down. So we're going to be sewing, and then after that we fold the strip inwards and then top stitch. So we're going to do the same thing for the back. You place your sleeve strap, then you place another strip of fabric on top and pin. Then you do the same for the other side. Okay, so I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it and show you. All right, so I have finished attaching the straps, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the neck area is completely clean finished, and basically the dress is ready, and it's a very easy and quick and simple dress to make. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and if it has, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.